And good evening to everyone that's locking this evening. This is the Upnlive show. You know, they are live inside the UK. All right, now we bring to you some of the baddest and the best sounds from out of London, out of UK. And like no other day, today is another Tuesday. I know we go all the way up on the south side of London and we find the baddest on the south. And we bring them to the north. People, if you've never heard that you've been living on the rock, we got Loyal Squad live inside the studio this evening. So we got the two top shooter them to the left and the right, and there's a young Juvin at the middle. And then you know the man from the wheels and the steels, the brain behind the operation, live in the studio. Welcome to the Upnlive show, gentlemen. How are you doing today?
Man.
You good?
Yes, man.
And let's start in from the left. Can you just give me some names, please?
Raheem.
Raheem, man. Pharrell, shooter. And?
Ox.
And the DJ himself? Capone. Live in the building. This is Loyal Squad.
One missing here.
One missing?
DJ Mix.
Okay. Rasta say why?
You know what?
But tell us a little bit about the sound, Loyal Squad.
Well, Loyal Squad is just it's a young sound. It's a good sound. We kind of farm out Loyal Squad from a sound that I previously owned.
Yeah.
After Star, and then through a little change of direction.
Yeah.
We just say, you know what? We just revamp the thing. So me and Capone revamp the thing, and then obviously, you know, DJ Mix him always did the same way.
Yeah.
So just join a unity. Raheem on the right. Film Father won a sound as well. Called Chinai Power.
Yeah.
China my general, so I say, you know.
Yeah, I work with them shooters as well.
You see me?
So little general, what about the future for Loyal Squad?
Well, I hope so, you know. Because right now I'm shoot.
Yeah, we see.
At 12.
And him put out work as hours now a night. And
yeah, he'll be there for the interview, so
yeah.
you might put in the work.
I'm very poor. If you know, it's like my uncle and organize. The money you trim.
Yeah.
13.
13, not 12.
Alright, sorry.
Yo, go around with the one thing, you know.
Man, I'm point, so. Yeah, man, when I look for reach, though, well, there's no limit, to be honest.
Yeah.
You understand? We just want to have the team, if you can realize it's a family thing. You know, my cousin over there say, don't know, say, never there, so best friend, Sunday, so mix up my charge if I'm them tell you, so it's just a family package, you know what I mean?
So that's why that name come by Loyal Squad. I'm
You
guessing.
No, you know, so the whole name Loyal Squad really come by because me and this man really, you understand? Because when we say boy, we're going to change from Afro Star to Loyal Squad. It's a thing where we say, you know what, Jano,
Yeah, man, do your thing, man.
it's like, when we say, boy, you know what? Him not leave you out, me not leave him out. So, you know, Loyal Squad. The squad actually came from back in the days when we used to do some different kind of events. We used to have a local team we call Team Squad where we used to have 4 sound. We used to just link up young ones.
Yeah.
DJ Mix at the time, same way. And Danger Vibes, which is Cross Vibes, and then Afro Star. But toward the booking them, they setting up on my side, you better me kind of recruit someone who me know say can deal with the business.
Yeah,
You understand? So this is the squad really come from. But the loyalty was always between me and this guy. You understand?
Okay.
Him a day, you know what I mean? So
Okay.
we just say Loyal Squad.
Yeah, because I realize when you guys play, the chemistry is there with the music. Because I realize for each successful sound, for them to reach anywhere, you have to have chemistry. And I realize one time, you and this man play, it's like a chemistry. You don't really have to tell him what to do. And you know what? That's one thing I like with your sound, where everybody know them part and everybody just play them part, and it's more effective.
Yeah man. Yeah, the chemistry is like that still, you know. But after, like, sometimes more time you have to just go and build up a different kind of angle as well, because at the moment we kind of switch over the roles. So you have Capone and Mix mode up on the road, and then you have me and Ryan mode up on the road now. So at the end of the day, we have to kind of make everything just balance out, because we don't want nobody to say, no, a Mix and Raheem or a accent, you understand?
Yeah.
If you go so bounce and put Loyal Squad, anybody can
Can turn up.
You get
that
me?
makes sense.
And the full effect still the same way.
So Ryan, I'm so quiet in the corner. We didn't hear French when I come here.
Good man there, no?
Everything good.
So, one more thing before we go, because you don't know times against someone or juggle some song for the people in here, you know. How long Lion Squad been around in the game?
Well, this year we are celebrating our 30th anniversary.
And do you guys have a ticket outlet where people can go and get them early bird ticket from now?
Yeah, not really. At the moment, we just build up the website. You understand? So we have like the merchandise and everything like that, and then the ticket outlet will actually be on that. So when you go to Bombs and go in on the link, purchase any ticket for any events, you know you can just go on the website, see what you need to see, do what you need to do, make whatever happen.
Yeah, so people definitely check out that one. That's Lion Squad 30th anniversary. I've been to the last year one, and it was absolutely crazy. Sold out. I don't know no power was there inside the building.
Yep.
People, I think this one gonna be a bit crazy. So log into that one. You know, right now we're gonna turn it over to the capable hands of what DJ Capone. I don't know the man them go juggle some song and go listen what them have to offer to the music industry. So Capone.
Your time in the brother. Walk on.
Kaboom! Stop it! Calm down! For your blood clot, go back. You know it's Lion Squad. How we loyal, but I want to them loyal to the Almighty God. How would them feel like hawks? Capone! Them a disrespect on them, on them.
Let's pray. Father, protect Lion Squad from poverty, jealousy, envy, hold down. People was the DJ mixing at the lead and want him slow down. Like fake friends, snake friends, the one them will show love. Quick for tell lies, the acts of force love. Pray them, you see them? All the enemies them want to take Capone life because we are make the G's them. Them say them real, but Raheem no believe them. Negative people, we no need them. Lion Squad now complain. Cause Father God you bless you with fortune and fame. The more you bless with, the more them hate. So continue for bless with. But just keep with
You don't know how the Upnlive radio show. You know the thing already, right? Lion Squad, we're there. Walk on.
Say tears fall for your eyes when you think about some things where you've been through.
Yeah.
Believe on trials and failures, but you never get think big with.
Right now I push you, you know the thing already.
Believe on doubts you get.
Don't know, so the bank holiday weekend have it. Hey, I'm going to tell you.
Yes, sorry for the dirty
Well, it's gone, but no way there.
gotta fulfill the dream.
Come no man.
Day by day you will get by. You still have all your head high. One thing you learn in your life, Fox, anything you do. If you not get fight, it don't make sense.
Them fi know.
Them fighters, so you get strength. So you get strength. We push through the obstacles, Capone, push through the obstacles. If you not get fight, it don't make sense. More them fighters, so you get strength. Push through the obstacles, so make some push through the obstacles. We fall or rise, fighting for all our life. All our choices not right, cause we not perfect, we have a flaws and we not Christ.
We not talk a little bit thing, you know.
Call it sacrifice.
You know the singer.
Man just wants to mama nice.
Lion Squad, we in the building.
One got to kiss.
Upnlive radio show, you know the thing, alright?
Cause if me a paradise.
Farrell, walk on.
I love a cat to drive.
The thing good.
Yo, that shoes there on my side.
Hey, Ryan said speed.
I remember that shoes I
DJ mix it general anyway you're there.
He'll have to survive.
You know the thing go.
JPS just cut the light off. We don't know how time on the pipe. My future no writer. Life just a ask me for show my mind.
So what we do?
We still stay strong. Still stay strong. Man, sleep for my life. Me never wake out when the rough days man. We still stay strong. Still stay strong. Man, sleep for my life. Me never wake up when the rough days man.
Hey, watch out now. Hey, sit down now. Now you're the spot sound. Right now, we're going to exercise something, so you know, say we're there, right? We're not going to go too deep in the box, you know. I'm going to say, well, by years out there. Hey, watch out now. Let's go commercial, Capone. I'm going to tell them. Say we're winning right now, you win. Now you're the spot winning right now. We figure touch off into what we're living right now. Now you're the spot that's we're winning right now, yeah. Earlier on, we think we are going late. Oh, yes, winning right now. You know, so the up top boss in Brixton. Yeah. You know, thing already. I have to stock up now. Winning. Oh, Oh, Lion Squad, I say it's music. Oh, yes, to be there.
Them no like me every step up in a life. Them no want to see me happy and rejoice. No, them no like for you with pouring in the ice. Them woulda pray for you, say that we don't a madden pon the ice. No for them vex you do go find the exercise show. The cake a run and them no want we get a slice. No, them no love to see you get to you.
Don't you know, yeah? Heard a seeker. Well, from a little bit, I been a hustler. All scraper, all paper chaser, left chatting for later. No time waster. Me no fi rise to the top.
We call it freestyle.
Boy never touch me for money. Me never yet been. No follow people me ever said. When you see the sexy body girl, them we never left them. If you don't like me, me not like you.
When life's sweet, beg you look out for the answer. Anything we sell out, them a one friend. Me no forget a one shot and one pan friend. Brand new sweet and them a one your live sober. Step out me sober. You have to clean as a road man. Right now me sober.
You know, go inside mineral progress.
We not in a nothing with you. If you're not showing no progress, man figure through life without no stress. Be friends with some people that's hopeless. Cause them a none of progress things and them school. I just saw them tongue tan. As to where your bread come from. A jail bunk them want see man head pan. A your nice life them want see you dead from. Nah, them can't trick me and kill me, me can't dead. Them must remember when you want to woman for your woman.
Me never have one linky way shake it. Me never have one linky way act like a lady. Me never have one linky way man I call baby. Me never have one linky way 'cause none of them no crazy. Hear me no curry. A gal alone a grip me like a wristman. No boy can bowl me like Pakistan. Me no know where them get this from. Instead a gal a man some boy.
Me darling her now, me no go the back door. No living at the lobby, me there at the top floor. Me have a bag of gal and I still a add more. Similar to when another.
Right now the young shooter there, you know.
Skiller than Zidane.
Hey, Furl, walk on.
The gal 6 love me now level at 4. I put your base if you ask, so know what more. The lion in the jungle, me never stop roar.
Watch your mouth and know where you set. Man straight yesterday, nothing no change today. Real bad man no circle round it. Man straight yesterday, nothing no change today.
Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the food, for the tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef hurry. JSI. Yeah, we in a top farm. Louis V don't no fat farm. With smaddy data, the dan guard. Same flame, top farm. Yeah, we rough up any platform. Buy a couple things to keep the black warm. Same flame, top farm. Still a cold amount of ice, me got all. Clips up up, yeah, the vibes never wrong. Yeah, top farm. Never jump farm. Top tougher when them see me that calm. From a dollar to a mill. Cut this bag of talking. Me put a house up on the hill and touch them girl often. I dance become the rival. It's how you call king. Motivate the streets and tell the ghetto youth to start with. Top farm, fasting, hot car, power rim, hot start. She want the jen up when her skin look all the shots. Then one thing that we da bring. Top farm, stay fly. Like say we get a wing. Yo them now to give it a ready. Tell them put it on them sim. Jen off the straight away. Tell them work like them a swim. Clean to the flipping grave. Like a man no never sin. Other plan no never fear. Now them see
Dear dog, bad for this one. I'm a hustler till death. Yeah, great job. Edmonton, in the street, man, hustle every day. I have a burn and I have a prepay.
We do them actually the Asian
brain. Little later,
they don't know that tree shoot up on liars, but they know the thing already, right? Right now, we can just go and exercise some song. DJ Fire for the wings that stay. Now go on.
Do a CT scan, money from my brain, money from my brain, dog, money from my brain. Do a CT scan, money from my brain, money from my brain, dog, money from my brain. Every woman, every man, money from my brain, money from my brain, dog, money from my brain. Yo, Edmonton, money from my brain, money from my brain, dog, money from my brain.
Oh, gas them up, cause we got bust the cylinder.
in a lap. Dog, I cut the window. We no fly kick in a chest, we no ninja. One of the strength in a me index finger. Bust the cylinder.
I want to listen, nobody not teach you the UK, you know.
See me dog, me never left the
They
inch.
used to watch everything. They learn everything.
What your tech bad
Swear.
bust the cylinder. Turn in your bed. Happy so me keep one in the head.
I'm not gonna take the credit, I swear.
They say that you are good.
Him just listen, him just watch, and just practice.
Cylinder, till it's get dread. All 3, 5, 7 left you thinner than a thread. Run off your mouth in your skin with y'all. Somebody buy fish, somebody buy your bread. A 9-9. From you they say that you are good. From you they say that you are good. Yeah, from you they say that you are good.
Every sherry, we come back for the dance floor. Take it in a hurry. Three of us are dancing, man, look and them a penny. My dance them still like curry.
Right now, get familiar with the one here now.
Curry. We are lead. We not
you see the next mix here?
We are lead.
The one here now, him have song too, you know. A recording artist as well. We have 2 songs, we have bang the streets right now.
We are lead.
Right, you know, so I feel like if you jump on that bad song them. I swear.
Real thugs never forget the dumb plan or where we come from. Yeah. Real thugs never worry about being on. Cause we destiny don't plan. Sometimes we not live long. The other say a judgment road. Live my next leg, send me sell my soul to Satan. God bless me for shame, but mine with it song. Andrew Blocks, me a go tell the boy happy grow. You coulda call it papi. Me life never easy, me don't try the happy road. Badness me use lucky road. Me always dream big, say me a go lucky glow. And them TV bring the episode. Shot in my head a great night.
This is Lions Club live inside the building. No, we're gonna do right now. Stop the music a second. Stop the music there. Cause we heard that you're a recording artist. And if my hero. So we're gonna say something right now, yeah? When I give you a couple bars, cause this are the platform for it, you know, cause if we have a shooter, we can shoot that way there. So we have to hear what really are going on. People who's watching right now don't wanna feel the same way. Cause I'm a DJ, I'm an artist, and him there mix. So here we're gonna do now, we're gonna make him Capone, give him a rhythm, and him jump on the MIC. Just sit down and cheer fast, quick. I want even want a 16 out of the song. You know, I give you a 16. Well, I see it, man. I cheer, man. I cheer, and I two again, man. Get his microphone, like, which one is sitting into? This one? That one, that's all? Alright, cause them set you up, cause that them say you're an artist and you're there right place, so.
Then set me up, yes?
Them set you up, man. Put your headphones on so you can hear what going on. So, your DJ will give you a beat, and you just do what you feel like to do. You ready? You ready, mate? Alright, so people, if you're just joining us, we have live inside the studio. This is the whole team, well, partially 90% of the team, Liars Square, live in the building. And Dragon, Dirty Dragon, they are back from New York, you know.
Yeah, I don't know me they are back again. I don't know, but me they in a morning mood. I don't know anything go so. Me know they me happy face today. That's it. Maybe next week after a shot of rum and beer things. You know what I mean? Yeah. But anyway, Liars Squad, are you ready?
Read them up.
Are you ready?
Find something up.
Yo. Yo. Alright then. Listen. Listen. Alright then. Let's set me up enough. So it go. Alright then. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million. Yo. Alright then. 1 million, 2 million, yeah. 3 million, 4 million, yeah. Alright then, no. Listen, TP talk truth. No for them I say them a girl is a cartoon. Regular them girl tell me say them a food. Alright then, listen now. Talk truth, yo. We are done now. Regular them.
I don't know there's something going. I have to try edit out some of the song and spot, so we have to understand. Remember, as a selector, just turn recording artist scene. So you might try edit out the, you know, the swear word man spot. So you might do it. You want to find one more rhythm? Find one more rhythm and come on. Yeah, man. Ready up.
Yo, step out real rich, you jump in at the coop. Raheem, TP, put that one up on loop. No, she want cause she love off my suit. Alright. Una ready now? 1 million, 2 million, yeah. 3 million, 4 million, yeah. Young, rich and happy, young, rich and happy, young, rich and happy, young, rich and happy. 5 million, 6 million, yeah. 7 million, 8 million, yeah. Young, rich and happy, young, rich and happy, young, rich and happy, young, rich and happy. 1 buckle, 2 buckle, pop them. 3 some the girl, them so we have them. If you not make money, not talk then. If it's not about money, me I beg you, not call then. Also man, also for the cheddar. We are go hard, me no care about the weather. You think I like ask Capone, my brother? We have the sauce, so call we hot pepper. 1 million, 2 million, yeah.
Only for money that's I spend. Liars squad and everything good. I love the energy, you know, keep growing. You know, Rome never built in a one day. You know, you have to take time and just get there. You understand? So give thanks, and you know, when we put up on the spot like this, it's not really an embarrassing thing.
Yeah.
It's more like an opportunity to showcase. Cause you never know, somebody might have see and say, oh,
yeah,
you know what the DJ artist that?
Yeah, for real.
You never know the man artist. Just know I set you up, you know. Say I set you up here, but you don't know. No, we know.
Yeah.
When you see in the dancer, you say your artist want some song.
Yeah.
And that song that I beg you to send it to your email now.
Yeah.
That's the upnliveshow@gmail.com. Don't send it to me, man. You don't know.
Yeah.
Send it forward.
I can get some social media before the time is up. We have about 50 seconds left inside the studio. Just give us some social media for everybody, please.
You know, so right now, you don't know, so log on to Lions __ page. You don't know, so that on the main page. So you don't want to make me.
If you want to contact me for anything, bookings, any inquiries or whatever, you can just contact me on liarsquad_Ryan on Instagram, and we can go on from there, you know.
Young Guns.
And ladies, may I beg you please make him grow a little bit. You know, don't take him away. Make him grow up a little. You darling.
People catch us back same place, same time next week. This is all about the Upnlive show every Tuesday right here. TG Murder. Keep yourself safe until next week. Peace. We're out of here. Thank you very much for your listening ears. We never get enough time, but we get the most important thing.